पिछली वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 6 का टेबल एंड क्वेरी का जो है हमने वो ओवरव्यू लिया था। आज जो पढ़ेंगे हम टेबल डिज़ाइन व्यू पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। तो आपने वीडियो को पूरा देखना है और चलते हैं हम पढ़ने पर। तो ये है डिज़ाइन व्यू अलो यू टू डिफाइन फील्ड इन द टेबल बिफोर एडिंग एनी डाटा ऑफ डाटा शीट। इस किस्म का ये डाटा शीट होगा, आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे हमने लिखना है जो नेम लिखना है, डाटा टाइप लिखना है, डिस्क्रिप्शन ये है डाटा व्यू। when you open a table or query using the database window, it will be displayed a data sheet view. A table or query is opened in data sheet view to perform different operation on data in the table, such as displaying data, adding new data, searching data. The datasheet view is like worksheet. When the table is opened in database view, the field name are displayed as header and column, or each row containing complete. Switching view. To switching view from the datasheet view designing, simple click on the button on the top left corner of the Access program datasheet. Display the view which allow you to enter raw data into your database table. Design view. Display the view which allow you define field, data type and description into your database table. अच्छा, ये है टेबल क्रिएशन। You can open or create a table or several way in Microsoft. Creating database in design view, creating database by wizard, creating database by entering data. तो हम जो creating design in database view, click on the table object from the list of database object. In database window, double click on creating table in design view. A table view in design view is appeared to design the structure of table. Click on new in database window, new table dialog box and open. Click the design view operation. Click on OK. A blank table will appear in design. Define each a field in your table. Under the field name column, enter the categories of table. Under data type column, enter the type of font to your category. The attribute of a variable or field determine what kind of data is can hold. For example, a Microsoft Access database, the table of memo field data type allow and field to store either text for number, but the number data type allow and field to store number only. The number data type field store numerical data. It is used to mathematical calculation. The user currency data type of database calculate currency value. Other data type date, time, yes, no, auto number and while object picture. Under the description column, entering the text and describe a field. This field is optional. And define field properties in a design view. The properties of each field can be set in design view. The window is divided into two parts: a top pane of entering the field name, data type and the optional description of a field, and bottom pane of specify field property. To assign the primary key, select the field and click on primary key button in the toolbar. You can set off remaining property in the table window lower pane. You following properties are defined briefly. इसके बाद field name. This is the name of the field and should represent the content of the field, such as name, address, final grade. The name cannot exist 64 characters in length and may include space. Is not considered good practice. Data type. Before you starting creating a new table access, you first consider do you want to break down in the information you organize similar unit of database in the design, dividing the data unit of information in the process of data determined to field. Each field can be assigned a unique field name. Each true field can also assign a data type following the data type of available in MS Access. Text. The difficult type text in allow are combination of letters and number up to maximum to 255 characters per field. Record. Memo. Text type of that can store more 60,000 character and be used for detailed descriptive field. Number. This type is used to store numbers that are used in mathematical calculation. Serial number. Field size are available. The most useful summarized in table 6.3. Data time. Data time and combination of both can be specified in the field currency. The Monetary value that can be set up the automatically include a dollar sign